it's supposed to feel.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean, and I bring it to the mad light, ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short, so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel?
How's it supposed to feel?
How's it supposed to feel? They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah bitch I ain't lazy. Track after track.
Alright guys, what's up? So today's gonna be an exciting video. We're here at DJ's house, and those of you know who he is. He has the blue Donzi ZRC, and he has invited us to go for a ride in his brand new Midnight Express. So I'm gonna be taking you guys along, and let's see. I'm a little late, so that's why I'm rushing. Smells good.
There he is.
What's up?
Come on, buddy.
What's going on, man? What's up, brother? Lewis. So here she is, guys. This is DJ's new 43-foot Midnight Express. Look at this color combo. Black on the outside, baby blue on the inside. It looks amazing. This is what we're gonna be going on a ride in today. This thing is gorgeous. Oh, man. I am speechless, to be honest. This thing is absolutely beautiful. Speechless, I'm speechless, DJ. You have a beautiful boat, my friend. Wow. Nice. Very nice. First time I see this boat in person, bro.
Yeah?
It's gorgeous.
Just saying when we first got it, man. We've done a lot.
Yeah?
Oh my god.
Yeah, DJ told me it wasn't taken care of.
Just tons and tons and tons of small shit here. Nothing worked. I mean,
How's it running now that you guys took off the joystick?
it's doing good.
Oh.
Loaded. How do you got today? Sunday, yes.
That's exactly how I feel. Those of you who've been a follower of the channel know this boat very well. This is DJ's Donzi ZRC. See there, I got my little decal on the boat. And that's Mr. DJ right there.
Stabbing cannon.
I want to congratulate you on your beautiful boat.
Oh,
man.
thank you, brother.
I think it's gorgeous.
Thank you, man. Don't drop it. Thank you, brother.
I bet you hardly use the Donzi now, huh?
I haven't hardly used the Donzi much.
So the radio and everything's controlled off the Garmin?
Everything is.
Like the lights, everything.
There's not even a damn horn button separate, dude. Which is stupid. We're gonna have one put on. I want to have a legit horn button. I don't want to be fishing around on the fucking screen. So. Oh, just leave those. Leave those, Darius. No, we got. I thought we got that other. That is it. That's it. Okay. Push that cleat down up there.
Damn it.
Wags, you want to play some hip hop for a little while? So I can't take no more?
You really?
Go ahead, come
You really want me to?
Yeah, here. All I gotta do is go here. Pairing right here.
Alright.
So you point to discoverable. And, let me get out of your way. Go ahead.
So I guess just go to Bluetooth.
Pair right up.
Okay, let's see. Which one is it gonna be?
Whatever your phone is.
What's that?
Have
Have you ever paired two before?
Not to this one, though.
Alright, give me 1 second here. Get turned
Pretty easy. All you gotta do is pairing and then your phone should light up. Here, go here. Pairing right here. And your phone should be discoverable.
And then you gotta go to the phone, don't you?
Gotta go to your phone.
Yeah, I'm on my phone now. I'm on my Bluetooth. Show me these two devices. Which one is this?
There you go. Just there you go. There you go.
Perfect. Awesome. Fucking awesome.
Yeah, I'm amazed, bro.
So much room.
Yeah. The best of all worlds.
Yeah. Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, baby.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la, 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 la. La, 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 la. Oh, oh, oh. And I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. Push pause, push play. Stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la, 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 la. La, 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 la. Oh, 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 la, 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 la. La, 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 la. Oh,
Pusha P. Yeah. Pusha P.
Let me just tell you that this boat is amazing. I've been on a lot of boats, and this boat is definitely my top favorite boat. This is my favorite boat. Like, it's just so comfortable, so big, fast. It's amazing. This is how South Florida looks during winter. So this week is the winter poker run, or the Miami Boat Show poker run to Playa Largo in the Keys. And we're gonna be going with DJ on this beauty. So you wanna stay tuned for that one. It's gonna be on Thursday, so in the next few days. I'm excited, let's go! Alright guys, so we're back at DJ's house. We're washing the boat and I'm flushing the engines. I'm on the last one. I've been doing this for the past probably 30 minutes already. I'm over it, but thankfully I'm on the last engine. This boat is amazing, guys. Let me take this hose off real quick. So I can definitely see why all these big money guys are selling their Go Fast V bottoms and they're trading them in for the fast center consoles. That boat is amazing. DJ decided that he's not gonna sell his V bottom, he's gonna keep both of them. So good for him. He has this as his toy, and that's gonna be his group party family boat. Look at the vibes, guys. Check out the vibes. The boat's flushed, interior's clean, and she's ready for the poker run coming up this Thursday. So stay tuned for that video. We're going from Hollandale Beach all the way to Isla Morada. So it's gonna be a fun weekend. We're gonna be hanging out with DJ most of the weekend. And yeah, guys, stay tuned for that video. You know how the saying goes, guys. Everybody wants to go out in the boat, but the one who ends up cleaning it is the owner. I helped him out. I helped DJ clean it and rinse out the engine, so I don't feel guilty. But he's still doing all the detailed work. He has this beauty still on the lift, and I think he told me that he's going to be taking this boat for the Tampa poker run. But look at the vibes, man. Sun's going down. House in the canal. Really pretty house. And two amazing boats. Alright guys, so I'm gonna end the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for the next one. And yeah, have a good night. Peace.